Welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. So I know a lot of you have been seeing a lot of videos online talking about international TikTok account, how to create international TikTok account, TikTok creator reward program, work with artist program, creator marketplace and TikTok shop, whereby people tell you to open either a US account or a UK account, whereby some people say when you have someone abroad, tell them to create an international account. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to create full international US or UK account in Africa. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button and put on the notification bell, like and share this video with friends and family. So now, first of all, let's talk about the things you should do and things you should not do on your international TikTok account. So the first thing you should not do on the international TikTok account is not to create a video. Never create a video on your international TikTok account because it's actually against the TikTok creator program rules. If you do it any video, you are not going to get paid for each video you do it, and your account may lead to ban, suspension, or deletion. So the second thing you should do is should not post any content from any source. Any content you are posting on your TikTok account should be a content directly from you. It should be a new content from you. In that way, you'll be able to join the creator program. So now, the creator program, you actually need 10,000 followers, and I'm going to take you through some steps how to grow your TikTok account. Actually, I've not get up to 10,000 followers, and TikTok have not started paying me, but I'm going to show you my account, what I do on my account, and the followers I get within 2 weeks of opening my personal TikTok account. So let's get started. So once you get your phone, you open your TikTok app, and as you can see, this is the creator. This is the monetization. As you see, I have the creator reward program. I also have video gifts, and I have the work with artists as well. And for African TikTok account, you can't find any of this creator reward program. You can't find it, and you also can't find the work with artists also on Africa account. So now let's take a look at what this is all about. So just gonna click on the creator reward program. So for you to make money on the creator reward program, you need a 10,000 followers. So I haven't get to 10,000 followers yet, so I can't say anything about how much TikTok can pay you for that. And also with the work with artists, you need a 1,000 followers, and I didn't have that yet, so I can't talk about it. So I just want to show you guys the benefits of having an international account. So then I'm going to show you guys how to create the international account. So let me log out from my account. Yeah. So I already logged out from my TikTok account. So I now want to teach you guys how to create an international TikTok account. So now you have to take a look at this location right here. That's exactly where the secret is. So if you are having Africa country in this location that I circle right here, you won't be given access to this international tools. So this monetization tools. So now you have to click on the location, and then you choose any of the location you want, like United States or United Kingdom. So I'm just gonna choose United Kingdom. So this is where you have to choose your location, whatever location you want to choose. So I'm just gonna choose United States. Right. So once I choose United States, as you can see, it has now changed to United States. So now then I will now click on use phone or email. So email is what we are actually going to use. So we never create this international crypto account with phone number. So because if you create it with phone number, it won't be good at all. So you have to use email to create the account. Then later on, as time goes on, you can later add your phone number to it as well. But when creating it, just make sure you are using an email in the phone number. So okay. So a code will be sent to your email address. Then you have to enter the code. Once you enter the code, you get your account. So as you can see,
You are.
so just go now. I want to show you guys how it works. So now, as you can see, my creator tools. So once you, if you want to check your account creator, you click on the creator tools, and let's see if you are also going to have that kind of monetization. And as you can see, the monetization is actually there. Work with artists, creator reward program, subscription, and also the creator marketplace. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button and put on notification bell. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.